I karanga hana koe, you are not alone.
You stood frozen on the edge, breath fading into white, calling out beyond the veil, between the dark and light.
We heard you from afar, where the ancient fires flow, and we will send the flame you need from depths you'll never know.
From Hawaiki, we
I am waking underneath.
I am waking underneath.
Horomatangi rise below.
I am the fire, I am the cause.
Ancient power moving through it all.
From the dark you breathe, from the deep I rise, living flame that never dies. Horomatangi, mura, tonu. I move beneath the skin of earth, through every fault and sin, a current burning through the dark, a force you never seen.
I crack the stone, I shape the path through fire, steam and rain. I carry life, I carry death, I am the heat and flame.
Hear the rumble, kōrero.
Kōrero, kōrero. Horomatangi rise below the water.
I am the fire you cannot hold.
Ancient power stories yet untold.
Feel the breath below, feel the earth ignite, burning through the endless night. Horomatangi,
Can you feel it?
I am here.
In the silence, in your fear.
Kōrero te ai.
I am rising. Ngātoroirangi. I am breaking. Horomatangi, heartbeat of the earth now.
I was here before you came.
From the fireline to the lake of flame.
You can hear the call, you can feel the heat, every pulse beneath your feet. Horomatangi.